Internationally, Montreal is known as a gay-friendly destination. The city has one of the largest gay neighborhoods in the world. The 40 blocks are known simply as the Village.
Montreal is artsy and quirky and really beautiful, and I thought I'd kick it off with the Rainbow Street.
We're now on St. Catherine Street. They cover it with this amazing canopy. It's 180,000 resin balls inspired by the colors of the Pride flag.
I really wish LA had a gay village like this, because wow.
Oh my god, you guys, I love the gay village here in Montreal more than Toronto.
Rainbows everywhere. I love it.
It's actually 18 different shades of colors, and they call it 18 shades of gay.
We are in the coolest place ever. The whole road is basically closed off for the cars, so you just walk around.
Really like colorful, bright, vibrant.
So interesting compared to America, where people are still fighting for their rights to be in a place like this. I know obviously we have like pride parades and stuff, but like this just seems like an investment, you know, from the city.
All the colors, they're so beautiful. Such a cute street, really, really love it. There's so many people out here. Probably gonna grab a bite to eat somewhere in this restaurant.
This is different. Your little cafe. So sandboxes. It's not time for a nap.
Beautiful stuff going on where you have nice terraces pouring out into the street. It's a drag queen restaurant.
Let's go to a drag show.
We're in the heart of Gay Village right now.
Bienvenido, willkommen als Mado!
Mado, c'est moi. The legend of Montreal. Queen. The Queen.
We are loving, we are caring, and we're gonna take care of your blah, 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 blah.
In a career spanning 31 years, I started, I was 1 year old. Wow. Mado has been holding court in one of Montreal's most visited neighborhoods for nearly half that.
Stereo. This place, it's actually with the biggest electronic nightclub in North America.
Just a little bit over here, Campus, one of the very famous male strip clubs. The interesting thing about the strip clubs here in Montreal is that dancers go 100% totally nude. That's a little different than what you see in the United States.
We're going to RuPaul tonight. I'm so freaking excited.
Sky Bar. So there's 4 different levels. The bartenders are all really cool. Some of them are drag queens, and so that's very entertaining. The drinks there are super, super cheap. Like half the price of what you would pay in Calgary. Calgary doesn't even have a gay village. It's just so much fun here. I feel like people here are just like so accepting.
So we're actually in a Catholic church, and there's a massive rainbow flag hanging up, and honestly, whether you're into religion or not, it's pretty powerful.
Today is Montreal Pride, so we're gonna try to find the parade.
Rainbow going on. Yes, Uber. Waiting for the parade to start.
Where are you from?
New York.
How does this one compare?
This one's amazing, incredible turnout, really long parade, a lot of energy. They're very erotic here, more so than any kind of gay district. It's even bigger, I think, in my opinion, than the one in San Francisco.
Check this out. In the middle of nowhere, you have an oasis dedicated to art.
Galerie Blanc.
It's just like this outdoor gallery filled with abstract artwork.
It's massive. There's like rows of this. Crazy.
Really good for Instagram, especially during the day if you're trying to stunt on your friends and flex on them, because you're in Montreal and it's a beautiful city.
What I really like about it is that it's not just gay people. If you see everybody here, you can feel very comfortable here being yourself.
It's not a gay village anymore, it's a village. People come here just to walk on the street, and we have like all those balls hanging out from the sky.
And the rainbow, it's beautiful.
It's a really cool day and night, and it's only here to stay until 2019.
It was actually set to only stay here for 9 years, and then they were gonna change it out and have a new artist do something else, which a lot of people don't like because it's become almost like a landmark of Montréal.
This town, this city is amazing. Gay pride here is just crazy.
Too much fun at RuPaul? I wouldn't have it any other way. That was literally the best night of my life, and I think maybe Pride's ruined forever because I don't know how we're gonna top that. She's not joking. That was, you look so cute right now.